Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. I have new sticker books from Cassthetic Plans. I do have a link for you down below. If you wouldn't mind ordering those through my link, I would really appreciate you. So her 3 new books in December of 2024 are Winter Florals, Evergreen, and Winter Wonder. So all of these are 30 sheets. They're a combination of clear stickers and papers. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start with the florals and go from there. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before, welcome back. And here we go. So this first one will be on paper. Second page is clear of all of the decorative themes here. So this one is very Christmassy with oranges. And again, like I said, this one's clear. Look at these combos of these florals. Super Christmassy. And then we have some boxes. And these are on paper. And they are fussy cut, not fussy cut, but like kiss cut around. So yeah, they're lovely. And then you get some boxes that match the colors. So we have yellows, pinks, and browns. As always, some bullet points, which are great. And then we have Cassie's combos that she creates. She layers them, and they are absolutely gorgeous. And then this is the second collection in this book. Again, paper and then clear. Look how pretty this one is. Especially this one. I love how delicate this looks. And then you have some layering pieces. So these are clear, both of them. You can layer them underneath your florals or elements or any other stuff. It doesn't necessarily have to be Christmas even. And then you get boxes and bullet points to match. And then her layering combos. These are on paper because they have boxes, so you would be able to write. And look at this candy cane lane. Oh my lord. So clear. Look at this. Look at this. This is gorgeous. And then you get some layering pieces. And then some boxes, including ones with a candy cane stripe. Same with bullet points. And then you have 2 pages of her combos. So those are winter florals. Again, very, very lovely. Next, we're going to do Winter Wonder, which is amazing. And it's not just Christmas. You can use it anytime, really. So yeah, here we go. Super beautiful. Same thing, first page paper, second page clear. And look how well this would go with this orange florals from here. I think that is such a nice combo if you combine those two. Okay, look at this, like the little snow visuals here. And then you get matching boxes, and then you get more boxes and bullet points. And then we have the combos that Cassie makes, and these are stunning. They are on paper, so you can write. Then we have gingerbread homes. These are quite crafty. And then we have gingerbread cookies. So you could make a full scene out of these, which is gorgeous. And then we have some boxes with holly. Both of these are on paper, so you can write. And then we have matching boxes with bullet points and combos. Look how beautiful these are. Okay. And then we have a New Year's stickers here. So paper, clear. 2025 paper and clear. We have fireworks, which are gold and black, which is stunning. And then we have boxes, and the middle boxes match the theme. And then we have 2 sheets of combos from this collection. So stunning book, Winter Wonder. And then the last one, which is more wintry than Christmas. We have lots of blues in here. So paper, this is clear. And do you see how even the colors are the same on these? Like, that is stunning. Then we have silhouettes of trees and animals, which is also fun because you can make a full scene. Then we have a whole winter mountain view with trees and streams. Look how beautiful this is with frozen leaves. I think this is gorgeous. More beautiful scenes, and then we have more winter florals with a little cabin, some mountains and trees. We have these blue elements to layer underneath, and some purple as well. Then we have clouds and snow and icicles. These icicles are so stunning, you guys. Then we have 2 pages of regular boxes, 2 pages of boxes with bullet points. And then same thing with this color scheme. And then the last couple pages are the combos that Cassie made for easy planning. So those are the books from Cassthetic Plans. Like I said, please use my code if you are purchasing. I would really appreciate that. And that is all I have for you guys. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me.